Hello, welcome back to Unlimited Cloud by Fune. Yeah, today is day 3. Woo! Come on, go girl, go girl, go girl. Oh, come on. I'm sure a lot of you guys are wondering, cloud people or tech people used to be very serious, very serious, always calculating, always thinking, always. Come on, do yourself like this. Chillax, chillax. It's not that hard, okay? It's not that serious. At the same time. So, today, remember I told you guys that we are not just doing cloud computing. We are also doing one major part of tech, which is DevOps engineering. So I've given you our last class. If you've not seen the last class, rush back and go and check the last class. Last class we talked about cloud computing, what it entails, what does cloud computing means, who are cloud computing engineers. Like, we really broke that down. So go watch it before you come watch this one. Yeah. So today we are talking about everything DevOps. We're going to talk about who are DevOps people, how does even DevOps come about? Who sat down and thought about DevOps? Will DevOps last? Is DevOps really important in the tech world right now? Those are a lot of questions. I'm sure newbies who want to venture into cloud and DevOps engineering will be asking, or questions that even the ones who are already into it but are in the beginner phase are asking. So when you say DevOps are two words merged together. DevOps, we have development team, and then we have operations. Wisdom, wisdom, wisdom. We have the development team, who we call the front end, the back end guys. Those are the guys who do the whole coding, do go behind the scene, and the whole web app, mobile apps you're seeing. We have guys who are behind the scene that are called developers. Those people, or this set of people, develops this app. We have the operation guys. These operation guys are the one who brings it into operation. They control the availability of this app. They control the number of people who patronize this app. That is the inflow of people. They majorly control the interaction of this app with humans or with people. So back then, let me back test a story. Back then, we used to have the development team and the operations. These are the only set of teams we used to have then. So the development team will develop, and it will take time, years, months, weeks, depending on the kind of app they're developing, before it will get to the operations. Operation will have to do their own validation and everything, and then if there is any issues or any back and forth that the operations are not understanding, they will have to take it back to the development team. I think, are you seeing the whole process? So the development team, when they are done developing the app, developing the web app, whatsoever it is that they are developing, they will give a written document that would give the operation step by step on how to deploy the app they have developed. So the operations will have to follow. Okay, development people say, okay, click on AWS, they will click. Okay, do this, they will do. Okay, do that, they will do. It's sometimes they miss the steps because this is not actually their work, and it's actually not the development teamwork. So there was a space in between that somebody needs to feel that nobody is feeling, and then these people have to do extra work in order to deploy the app, and sometimes that will take months. Like, it will take months. So you'll be thinking of, oh, I want to deploy an app, but the process and the period it will take, you will even be tired. So that is where DevOps were born. DevOps is the middle person between the developers and the operations. So DevOps person must have a knowledge about development and knowledge about operation. Are we on the same page? DevOps person, remember we talked about cloud. Cloud is all about deploying deploying your apps on the cloud, and then maintaining it, overseeing it, protecting it, checking the whole everything. That is cloud computing. But DevOps now as you're saying, DevOps means you will have to know about cloud because you'll be the one deploying the cloud, deploying whatsoever development team are given. So development team now don't have any business with operations. Operations don't have any business with development team. So DevOps person become this middle person that development team must have to relate to, operation team must have to relate to. So DevOps, we can confidently say DevOps, DevOps engineer is that one person that will help the two parties automate their work. So DevOps mostly based on automation. So that is why DevOps, as a DevOps person, you are a very, very, very important person. Like, it's a very, very important role that is not going anytime soon. I believe that cloud and DevOps engineering is the future of tech. Hear me out. Why do I say so? I believe that AI that we have today that I use a lot. Yeah, I'm also into AI and machine learning. I'm not just a cloud engineer and DevOps. I'm also into AI and machine learning. So I believe that cloud and DevOps engineering, including AI, is going to be mind blowing in the future to come. In the sense that no matter how you can prompt an AI, you can't prompt it to take over the job of a cloud or a DevOps engineer, because even the AI itself needs to be hosted in a server. So that means you have to maintain the AI itself. AI needs maintenance, AI needs support. So as a cloud and DevOps engineer, that's a very good and vital role to play even in the life of AI. Yeah. So if you're thinking of going into DevOps, please think no more. Your answer is here. I'm giving you the answer now. Jump into it. Jump into it with your whole full strength and with your whole full force. Don't wait. You'll be so glad you made this choice, and you'll be so glad you stick to my channel. So I love you guys so much. I am proud of you guys. See, if you could open my heart, you see that I love you so much, and I'm proud that you are in my channel. And I bet you by the end of 2026, you won't regret that you're here, and you won't regret that you learned from Unlimited Cloud. Thank you guys so much, and see you guys. I think by our next class, I'll be talking about some very, very, very key and important people in my life that have helped shape my cloud computing and DevOps engineering journey. I hold them so dear to my heart. I love them so much, and I'm going to give you every detail about them. See you guys on my next video. Bye.